Since time immemorial, crystals have captivated humanity. Their beauty and symbolism are undeniable. Crystals possess an energy, a life force, that resonates with our own. Wearing crystal bracelets allows us to harness this power, bringing balance and harmony to our lives. These beautiful stones are not just accessories, they are talismans of healing and well-being. Crystal bracelets offer a tangible connection to the Earth's energy. They remind us of the natural world's beauty and power. Each crystal carries unique vibrations, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and spiritual growth. By wearing these crystals, we invite their energy into our lives, promoting positive change and self-discovery. Choosing the right crystal is a personal journey. It's about understanding your needs and connecting with the energy that resonates with you. Whether you're drawn to the clarity of clear quartz or the protective embrace of black tourmaline, there's a crystal bracelet waiting to enhance your life. Let's explore the unique properties of some powerful stones. Clear quartz, known as the Master Healer, is renowned for its clarity and ability to amplify energy. It's a powerful stone for manifestation, helping to clarify intentions and amplify desires. Clear quartz also enhances mental clarity, focus, and concentration, making it an ideal companion for students and professionals alike. Style tip: clear quartz's versatility makes it easy to pair with any outfit. Its simple elegance complements both casual and formal wear. Layer it with other crystal bracelets to enhance their properties, or wear it alone for a minimalist look. Amethyst, with its captivating purple hues, is a stone of peace, intuition, and spiritual connection. It calms the mind, soothes anxiety, and promotes restful sleep. Amethyst also enhances intuition and psychic abilities, making it an excellent crystal for meditation and dream work. Style tip: amethyst's regal purple hue pairs beautifully with silver or gold. Wear an amethyst bracelet to add a touch of elegance to evening wear, or to create a sense of peace and tranquility during the day. Rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love, promotes compassion, forgiveness, and emotional healing. It opens the heart chakra, attracting love, deepening existing relationships, and fostering self-love. Rose quartz also soothes emotional wounds, promoting inner peace and harmony. Style tip: rose quartz's soft pink hues complement pastel colors and floral patterns. Wear a rose quartz bracelet to enhance your feminine energy, or gift it to a loved one as a symbol of affection. Black tourmaline is a powerful grounding and protective stone. It absorbs negative energy, shielding the wearer from electromagnetic radiation, psychic attacks, and negative thoughts. Black tourmaline also promotes a sense of security, courage, and grounding, making it an ideal crystal for stressful situations. Style tip: black tourmaline's sleek black color pairs well with monochrome outfits and edgy styles. Wear a black tourmaline bracelet to create a sense of protection and grounding throughout the day. Citrine, with its sunny disposition, is a stone of abundance, prosperity, and joy. It attracts wealth, success, and good fortune. Citrine also promotes creativity, self-confidence, and a positive outlook on life. Style tip: citrine's bright yellow hues complement earthy tones and warm colours. Wear a citrine bracelet to boost your mood, attract abundance, or add a pop of colour to your outfit. Turquoise, a sacred stone in many cultures, is a symbol of protection, wisdom, and good luck. It's believed to bring good health, prosperity, and safe travels. Turquoise also enhances communication, intuition, and spiritual awareness. Style tip: turquoise's vibrant blue-green color pairs well with natural fabrics and bohemian styles. Wear a turquoise bracelet as a talisman of protection or to add a touch of southwestern flair to your look.